significant figures are used in both physics and chemistry. So today we will learn what do you mean by significant figures. So these are the two major conditions for significant figures. Number one, all non-zero numbers are significant. And number two, zeros will be significant when, number one, when present between two significant figures, and number two, when present after the decimal and at the end. So these two conditions, if they are satisfied, then the zeros will become significant. Let us understand by the examples. You find the significant numbers in 11,400. Okay, here we see the zeros. They are not after the decimal, so they do not satisfy the second condition, and they are not present between two significant figures. Okay, because all non-zero numbers are only significant, so this is having only three significant figures. These two zeros will be non-significant. Now 1.010. Now this zero is after the decimal and at the end, so it is satisfying the condition number B, that is when present after the decimal and at the end. So all the four figures will be significant, so it will have four significant figures. This zero will be significant because it is present between two significant figures. Okay, because this zero is significant because it is present after the decimal and at the end, and this zero is significant because it is present in between the two significant figures. So four numbers are significant. In this case, these two zeros will be significant because they are present between two significant figures. So total significant figures will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Here these two zeros will not be significant because they are not present after the decimal and at the end. They are present after the decimal but not at the end. So we have only two significant figures. Here these two zeros are not significant because they are not present after the decimal. So only one significant figure, that is 4. In this case, these two zeros will be significant because they are present after the decimal. Okay. This zero is significant because it is at the end and after the decimal, and all three zeros will be significant because they are present between two significant figures. So total is 5 significant figures are there. Okay. In this case, 10 to the power 4 is not considered significant, so there are 4 significant figures. In this case, these two zeros are significant because they are present after the decimal and at the end, and this zero is significant because it is present between two significant figures. So there are total 4 significant figures. Okay, now this question was asked in JEE Main 2025, that is for an experiment y is equal to this much, then to report the value of y we should write y is equal to, okay, so here the minimum number of significant figures are present is 3, that is in this as well as this. Okay, so we have to consider the answer in the minimum number of significant figures. So here this y will be equal to 1330 because this has only 3 significant figures. Okay, this zero is not significant. Thank you and wish you all the best.